To conclusively prove Santa Claus's existence to skeptics, several proactive methods are suggested for obtaining evidence. These steps include sending a personal letter to Santa detailing gift requests and daily life inquiries, conducting external research by reading historical and Christmas-related titles like Flight of the Reindeer by Robert Sullivan, and actively tracking Santa's journey using tools such as NORAD or Google Santa Tracker. Furthermore, for direct observation, one can set the stage by making the home welcoming and festive with specific decorations reminiscent of the Nutcracker, utilizing a small television and camera concealed in a Santa Cam shoebox pointed at the fireplace for filming his arrival, or physically hiding to witness and quickly record him between 12 and 12:15 a.m., all while planning ahead with maps of creaking floorboards and escape routes to ensure secrecy.